Hi guys, it is going to be Wednesday tomorrow, the 5th. I'm obviously recording this the night before, so I'm just giving you a quick check-in. Yesterday you guys should have done documents A and B. Those two documents are going to be documents that you're going to be using in your DBQ. If you guys remember from the first DBQ, you use one of the primary source documents or secondary source documents, but one document for each body paragraph. Today you are going to be doing documents C and D, so you want to make sure that you are keeping up with your work. At this point, you should have done the hook exercise. You should have done the background information on OneNote for the DBQ. You should have done documents A and document B, and then you're going to be finishing up document C and D. So if any of those things, if you have not completed them, please make sure that you go back and you do the work. If you have any questions, please email me. I am checking my phone all the time, so I should be able to help. Just make sure if you have a question that you are putting the question and your answer in the email. Like if you want me to check and answer, put it in the email so I can help you. If you want me to check your documents on the computer, I got an email yesterday somebody asking me to check the document like on OneNote. I can't check that during the day. I'm going to remind you guys, I'm sick with COVID, but my 2-year-old is also sick with COVID, so I'm dealing with her most of the day. But I can usually read on my phone a quick email. I just can't go on the computer and bring something up on OneNote. So if you need anything, email me. Don't even hesitate, but make sure you put all the information in your email. All right, everybody, stay healthy.